Hello and welcome to part 2 from the action at the 2019 Iconic Cup held in London, England.
One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Quickly, in this episode, we're just going to be taking a look at some more of the heats from the actual race day held in August 2019. As we've mentioned in the last episode, we were very lucky with the weather compared to the day before, and I think it turned out to be a great day. Even though we weren't racing ourselves, we had great fun and are absolutely looking forward to racing at the Iconic Cup next year. Now, as some of you have seen, we've bought our own Tamiya MO3, and this is more than likely what we will be racing at the Iconic Cup, and we'll be showing you the race prep that we'll be doing with that, which should be really cool and also a real learning curve for us too, so do watch out for that. Well, that's it. I hope you enjoy the rest of the video and the racing action. Please do rate, comment and subscribe, and also go out and join your local clubs and support your local hobby stores and enjoy. But that's it. Thank you for watching and see you soon.
The running order at 4 minutes is 1, 7, 5, 2, 4, 9, 3,